Mailman 300 today. We're going to be here in the tornado sign testing, guys. It's raining a little bit. It's 11:58. It goes off in 2 minutes. You guys are going to hear it soon. We're going to hear the tornado sign go off in about 2 minutes. And it's almost time for it to go off. It's going off soon, guys. It's 11:58. It's 11:58 right now. It's about to go off. It's still 11:58. It's about to be 11:59 in a minute. It's about to go off. You guys are about to hear it soon. You guys won't. It's kind of light when you hear it. It's gonna be kind of light when you hear it. It's gonna be very light. So guys, you are about to hear the tornado siren go off from all the way from over there or something. It's about to go off. It's 11:59. We're about to hear it. It's about to go off any minute. It's 11:59, guys. It's about to be noon. Any minute it'll go off. Any minute. It's 11:59. It's about to be noon. Here we go. It's noon. Here we go, guys. You guys can hear it. You guys hear the tornado sirens. It's about to go off again, guys. Any minute. Guys, let's get back here. You might hear it good over here. It's gonna go off again. You guys are about to hear it any minute now. It's about to go off. You guys are about to hear it. Use the results of it. It's about to go off. Here we go. You guys can hear it. Guys, we might hear the voice go off. It might do the voice. See if we can hear the voice. That was it.